Let's head to the courts now, where defending champions, the National Housing Trust A, remain on course to retaining their Business House Open League netball title after a comprehensive 38-15 win over Ministry of Health and Wellness A on Saturday at the National Stadium. Captain of NHT, Abigail Linton, said the team used the game to fine-tune their strengths.
This game was mainly for practice. We knew that the team was a lesser team to us, so it was just for us to come and work on our structures and execute what we were and the instructions that we got from our coach.
Meanwhile, the RJ Gleaner Communications Group also produced the imperious 48-9 victory over the Jamaica Civil Aviation Authority. RG player Shante McKinley was pleased with the team's execution.
We executed well. We tried to get all the passes accurate into the goal circle, to the shooter, and that's what we did, and it worked.
Elsewhere, Scotiabank B got past Ibex 19-10. Scotiabank B's captain Karen Winstanley said that despite missing an important player, they were determined to take the win.
So our coach, we played according to instructions. Our main shooter is not here today, and so we know we had to double down, put the concentration cap on to ensure that we would have walked away with this win.
The next round of games will take place on Tuesday.